Alright, what's up YouTube? So back in the shed for this week's project, and I'm going to be making another 2 wedding rings. I know I make a few, but I'm kind of trying to hone in my skills a little bit when it comes to this and learn a few new skills and sort of pick up a few tricks and tips and tricks along the way, and to try to sort of get just better at making them, because I'd like to make more of them in the future. And so this time I'm going to be making another 2 for my wife and me, and so it's going to be stainless steel again, but this time I'm going to be doing like some bent wood stuff on it, and I think it's going to turn out really cool. So if you want to stick around and see how it turns out, that'd be awesome. Let's get into it. So bulk of the rings all done now. I could basically just go through the sandpaper grits and some beeswax and be happy days, but I'm not. I'm going to do something a little bit crazy, so let's keep on moving. But yeah, you could easily just finish it up here and it would look like a really nice ring, but I want to go a little bit crazy. Done now, pretty happy with how it turned out. Few little things, like I probably should have gone harder on the grinding and the putty work, just because by the time I sanded it out, a lot of the lines thinned out quite a bit, and so it didn't have quite as gnarly a look as I was hoping for. But when I originally did the first batch or 2 batches, it just looked so hectic. I was really worried that it was gonna turn out really bad, and so I didn't go harder on it when I probably should have. But definitely gonna sort of learn on that one for next time, and I wouldn't mind experimenting with doing another one, but just like layering and layering and layering and layering until it sort of becomes this like sort of crazy looking thing. But it's almost there. It's like there enough that you kind of get the cool look, I think, but it could have definitely gone further. And a few other little things, like I used cold water for my wood bending, but I really should have used hot water and it would have been a lot more effective. But yeah, overall super happy, and it's all I can really ask for when I'm experimenting and learning and trying to teach myself how to do new things. So if you liked it, that'd be awesome. If you want to hit subscribe, if you want to check out Instagram, anything you want to do, hit like, that'd be sweet. Check out another video, that'd be awesome.